For more than 4,000 years, the Great Pyramids of Egypt have stood in silence over the desert. They have outlived empires, survived disasters, and resisted time itself. Yet one fundamental question remains unanswered. What were the pyramids truly built to contain? From hidden chambers to missing remains, these monuments continue to challenge modern science. This is not a story of myths or speculation. This is an evidence-based exploration of the most iconic structures ever built by humanity. To understand what the pyramids contain, we must first understand why they were built. The pyramids of Giza were constructed around 2600 BCE during Egypt's 4th dynasty, a period of remarkable political stability and technological advancement. Ancient Egyptians believed that death was not the end, but a transformation. Pharaohs were seen as divine rulers whose souls would ascend to join the gods. The pyramid was designed to protect the king's body and symbolically guide his soul toward the heavens. The Great Pyramid of Khufu once stood over 480 feet tall and was built from more than 2 million stone blocks. Its construction required advanced mathematics, astronomy, and precise organization capabilities now well documented by archaeologists. Yet knowing how the pyramids were built does not fully explain what lies inside them. One of the most striking facts about the Great Pyramid is this: no confirmed royal mummy has ever been found inside it. When modern explorers entered the pyramid, they discovered an empty granite sarcophagus, no body, no treasure, no inscriptions. While later pyramids contain human remains, the largest and most famous pyramids at Giza show signs of being deliberately emptied or possibly never used as traditional tombs. Ancient grave robbing did occur, but the scale...
We can definitively say that the pyramids served a symbolic and ceremonial purpose, absolutely or residence.
Of what is missing raises difficult questions. If these structures were only tombs, why are they so empty? And why are their interiors so minimal compared to later royal burials? Modern archaeology focuses on evidence rather than speculation. Many scholars now believe the pyramids served multiple purposes, both symbolic and functional. The pyramid's shape reflects the Benben stone, a sacred symbol of creation. Its internal shafts align with stars associated with immortality, suggesting a cosmic role tied to the afterlife. Unlike later tombs, the pyramids lack extensive carvings or texts. This suggests that religious rituals occurred outside the structure, while the pyramid itself functioned as a symbolic and ceremonial monument. In this view, the pyramid was less a container for objects and more a structure designed to express belief. In recent years, scientists have begun exploring the pyramids using non-invasive technology. One tomography and imaging method based on cosmic particles has revealed previously unknown voids inside the Great Pyramid. In 2017, researchers confirmed a massive hidden space above the Grand Gallery, now known as the Big Void. It is over 100 feet long. Its purpose remains unknown. It may be structural, or it may represent an unexplored chamber. What is clear is that even today, the pyramids still contain unexplored spaces. So what do the pyramids really contain? Not gold, not lost technology, not supernatural secrets. They contain evidence of extraordinary human intelligence. They reflect advanced knowledge of mathematics, astronomy, and large-scale organization achieved without modern tools. They also contain unanswered questions, not because of mystery, but because of complexity.
From 3000 BCE, technological growth was slow. The Egyptian pyramids represent a
The pyramids were never meant to explain themselves. Yet across 4,000 years, they continue to challenge our understanding of the past. They remind us that history is not fixed, it is still being uncovered. And sometimes, the greatest discovery is not what lies hidden inside stone walls,